Hi, how are you? I'm also good, thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? I am from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Okay, if you get chance, then you come Odisha. Welcome to Odisha, and you visit here. Odisha is a beautiful place. Could you repeat once again? Okay, here you know India has four dham, Puri Jagannath temple, one of them, right? And Chilika is here also, and you can say Hirakud Dam also here, and next thing steel plant also here, Vedanta here. So many places here you have to know because I think are you a student? Okay, which department are you studying? Wow, which subject are you doing in master? Wow, then are you doing in Delhi? Okay, are you born and raised in Delhi or are you from different state within India? Okay, you are in UP, but right now currently you are okay. I got your point because right now you are here in Delhi for your higher study, right? But you born and raised in UP. Okay. What's your future plan after completing your MBA? Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. First of all, you want to join any corporate field, right? And you want to gather knowledge from there, and you work from different mindset people, different employee. After that, you want to set up, you want to do in startup, right? Then, do you want to do startup in partnership or individual? Mm-hmm. Hmm. Right, right. Because without team, you cannot do it startup, right? It. Hmm. Right, right. Then if you want to do startup, then what type of startup do you want to do? Oh, Okay, then you have a 50 years or 20 years vision, right? How to how to help upcoming generation and that startup will be help them in 20 years and 30 years, right? Okay. Mm-hmm. Then do you, if you want to do startup, then do you want to invest your self money or do you want to take loan from bank or government? Hmm. Okay. Okay, I got your point because first of all, you don't want to, i- if you want to do startup, right, hmm, right. Because if first of all, you have to learn how to investment, right? After that, you learn how to get benefit, right? Then after you learn how to manage the team or your employee, right? And first of all, you have to learn how to sell your attitude, behavior, and communication. After that, customer test your product. First of all, they test your attitude, behavior, and communication. If you have good, then definitely you can sell your product easily, right? We always think marketing means selling and buying, right? We always think sell, I buy, sell and buy. But it is not a real thing, right? Marketing means, first of all, we have to market our attitude, behavior, and communication in business. Then we can sell our product. People they test your those kind of ingredient. After that, they test your product, right? Otherwise, business is even though you see who completed eight standard, they become a businessman, right? Or who complete MBA or MPhil, they cannot become a entrepreneur or businessman, right? Because their attitude, behavior is a different. They have a ego because I have a double degree. I completed my MBA. How their attitude like a well-educated people they don't miss they always underestimate their customer, right? They always compare with that customer, but who completed a standard they only think how to take care customer, then customer take care their business, right? No, but I have little bit idea about it. No. A little bit I know about it. Do you belong to any business family? Wow. Mm-hmm. Wow. How long your father has been doing that business? Hmm. Wow, wow. Then definitely you have little knowledge about business, how to get benefit and how to save money, how to deal with customer, how to negotiation with people and business to business, right? But you tell me one thing, if you want to do startup or set up your startup, then do you want to do B2B or B2C? Okay, B2C, right? Business to customer, right? Then that is also better. Then you have to more police your knowledge, right? It is not easy task because market has so many copy paste business, right? And you learn how to survive in the market because you are only not one person, you have a new business, right? Like your business, so thousand and million business in there, right? Then how to miss attract customer, how to influence customer. First of all, you have to learn. You don't feel jealous if you know any person and that person never come your shop or you need to purchase something, and he or she will go in nearest shop or we need to purchase same product and same unit, then you never means underestimate that person, or you never generate ego, you never feel jealous. First of all,